This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Let's divide using number lines. Look at this division problem, 8 divided by 2. Let's learn about one way that we can use a number line to solve this. The first number, 8, tells us where to start on the number line. The second number, 2, tells us how many units should be in each backward jump. We need to keep jumping back until we reach 0. So starting at 8, we'll jump back 2 units, landing at 6. Then we'll jump to 4, then to 2, then to 0. How many backward jumps did we make? 1, 2, 3, 4. This means that 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Great! Let's try another one. What is 12 divided by 4? We can show this division on a number line by starting at 12 and making backward jumps of 4 units until we reach 0. This time, our number line is already counting by 4s. We'll keep this in mind as we make our backward jumps. Starting at 12, we'll jump back 4 units to 8. Then we'll jump back to 4, then to 0. Now we'll count how many backward jumps we made. 1, 2, 3. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Excellent! Let's try one more. Okay, this time we'll build a number line from start to finish and use it to solve 30 divided by 5. Remember, the first number, 30, tells us where to start on the number line. We'll mark 30 here on the right side. We'll mark 0 on the left side, since we'll make backward jumps until we reach 0. Great! The 5 in our problem tells us how many units should be in each backward jump. Let's begin. Starting at 30, we'll jump back 5 units. 30 minus 5 equals 25, so our jump lands at 25. Then we'll jump back by 5 to 20, 15, 10, 5, and then 0. How many backward jumps did we make this time? 6. This means 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Nice work! It's time to divide using number lines on your own. You can do it!
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.